Hey everyone, this is John Rollins, and take a look at this 2013 Chevy 3500 HD dually that I have for you today. This is a crew cab, long bed, four-wheel drive. This truck has the LTZ package, beautiful red in color, and this truck is very, very clean. Chrome rear bumper, factory tow package, factory park assist, backup camera, spray-in liner. It's got the B&W turnover gooseneck ball. You've got the 7-pin connector right there on the inside of the bed as well. Factory Alcoa wheels, factory running boards. The truck is all stock, but the customer did put this nice chrome turn down on it, just dress the rear of the exhaust up a little bit so you don't have that big ugly pipe coming out of there. Tires look good. ABS rain guards in chrome. Got the nice chrome window sill plates, chrome mirrors, cab lights, fog lights, tow hooks. Just a nice clean dually. This is an LTZ, so it's fully loaded inside. Let's go ahead and take a look there. This truck has the tan interior. Of course, you've got all your full power options. Heated seats, memory seats, leather, power seats both sides, bucket seats. Seats are in great shape, no rips or tears. Here's your headlight controls, four-wheel drive control, factory trailer brake controller. You've got a tilt steering wheel. Steering wheel controls are on the left for your cruise, on the right hand side for your audio and Bluetooth. This truck only has 84,396 miles, runs out perfect. We just had the truck serviced. You've got a 6-speed automatic Allison transmission, CD player, auxiliary input, automatic dual zone climate controls, adjustable foot pedals, rear park assist, factory exhaust brake. You got the big console here. You've got plenty of storage inside. You've got a USB input and a 12-volt outlet in there as well. In your overhead, you've got these 3 buttons here. That's for your garage door opener. That's home link. In the rear view mirror, you've got the backup camera, and you've got Onstar. The rear of the truck, the seats are in beautiful shape. It's got the nice all-weather mats on the floor. The seat bottoms do lift up to give you almost a completely flat floor in the rear if you need to put anything inside the cab of your truck. You've got a 12-volt outlet back here and cup holders down at the bottom. Here's another look at your dash. All the door panels are in beautiful shape. Headliner's in great shape. There are no odors, no rips or tears. This is just a nice example of a clean LTZ dually that has good miles. It's got 83,000 miles. This truck is still under factory warranty. It's got the Bose stereo, and it's very, very clean. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. 6.6-liter Duramax Diesel. This is the LML series Duramax. It's all stock, factory airbox, factory exhaust. Now this truck was just serviced down at Taylor Chevrolet, or Hugh White Chevrolet, I should say. They were bought out. This truck has a new depth heater put in it. And, you know, unfortunately, it looks like they spilled a little depth here when they were finished and filled the depth back up. They should have wiped that off. But the truck is clean and serviced, ready to go. Again, my name's John Rollins. Thanks for watching my video. If you're interested in this truck, feel free to contact me directly at 614-563-9999. I do have financing available, and I do take trades. Thank you.